You've learned about reflection and refraction. Today, you're going to learn about diffraction. Diffraction is another property of waves. Diffraction is where waves spread out, pass through a gap, or pass around an object. Let's look at some water waves from above. You can see the diffraction happening here. If we increase the size of the gap, we don't get much diffraction. As we decrease the size of the gap, we get much better diffraction until the gap size equals the wavelength. We get maximum diffraction. It should be obvious that we could have increased the wavelength through the larger gap to get maximum diffraction. For maximum diffraction, gap equals wavelength. So what now? Is there a practical use for this? Let's say you live by a big hill. You might have problems getting radio or TV reception, as the waves would be blocked by the hill. But because of diffraction, the waves spread out, and when they pass the hill and can be received by your receiver. However, short wavelength signals would still be missed. To review, diffraction is where waves spread out to the edges and pass through a gap or around the edges. Diffraction happens best when the wavelength equals the size of the gap.